Welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down the best mechanical keyboards of 2026. And trust me, number 5 is going to surprise you. Whether you're a gamer, programmer, or someone who just loves that satisfying mechanical click, this list has something for everyone. Let's jump straight into the lineup. Kicking off the list, the RK Royal Kludge RK96, an incredibly versatile 96-key compact board that manages to keep a full numpad while saving tons of desk space. The RK96 comes with tri-mode connectivity, Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired. That means stable connections across Windows, Mac, Android, or even tablets. It's also hot swappable, supporting both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, so customizing is super easy. With a big 3,750 mAh battery, you can use it for hours without recharging, and the volume wheel plus dual USB pass-through ports make it even more functional. You also get 18 RGB modes, programmable macros, and double-shot keycaps, all packed into a compact productivity beast. Next, the Yunzi B68, a cute, compact 65% mechanical keyboard built for anyone who values both aesthetics and performance. This board features a gasket-mounted structure, giving you that smooth, soft, creamy typing sound everyone loves. The south-facing RGB illuminates beautifully, especially through the double-shot PBT cherry profile keycaps. It's tri-mode, too, Type-C wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless, and the 5,000 mAh battery keeps it powered for days on end. You also get hot swappable sockets, so you can use your favorite switches, whether it's the Milk 5 2 linear or Cocoa Cream switches. Lightweight, portable, and customizable. The B68 is perfect for students, creatives, gamers, or office work. At number 3, the Attack Shark X66 brings a premium feel in a compact 65% layout. The first thing you'll notice is the side-printed gradient PBT keycaps. Stylish, durable, and fingerprint-resistant. It uses an upgraded leaf spring gasket mount with 5 layers of sound-dampening foam, giving you an incredibly soft, quiet, and smooth typing experience. You get tri-mode connectivity, a 3,000 mAh battery, and pre-lubed strawberry linear switches right out of the box. Of course, it's fully hot swappable and comes with customizable RGB with millions of colors. Number 4 is the Attack Shark X85 Pro, a 75% keyboard packed with premium features. It includes a built-in display screen and a multifunctional knob, giving you quick access to volume, info, and system functions. The gasket-mounted design provides soft, muted keystrokes, and the keyboard supports wireless, Bluetooth, and wired connections. With PBT keycaps and a sturdy build, the X85 Pro is ideal for anyone wanting a futuristic functional board in a clean and compact form. Number 5 will surprise a lot of you. The Ajaz AK680 Max. This tiny 60% board is powered by Hall-effect magnetic switches, giving you rapid trigger technology normally seen in high-end esports keyboards. That means instant key activation with no delay, perfect for FPS games and fast reactions. It supports both wired and wireless modes, features multicolor RGB, and is hot swappable for even deeper customization. The build quality is solid, the typing feel is smooth, and the rapid trigger Hall-effect switches make this keyboard stand out as one of the most responsive compact boards of the year. And finally, the Ayula F108 Pro, a full-size mechanical keyboard loaded with premium features. You get a gasket-mounted hot swap design, a massive 8,000 mAh battery, and tri-mode connectivity for maximum flexibility. The highlight is the 1.14-inch TFT smart display that shows time, calendar, connection modes, and battery info. The PBT keycaps are durable and high quality, and the low-noise sound profile makes it great for both gaming and office environments. If you want a full-size board with premium comfort and features, the F108 Pro is a top pick for 2026. And that wraps up the best mechanical keyboards of 2026. Which one was your favorite? And did number 5 shock you like it shocked us? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us which keyboard you want reviewed next. See you in the next video.